So guys, guess what happened? I overslept. Because I've been sick, and yeah, you can hear it in my voice. I fucking overslept, and I'm so annoyed at myself. So now I have to make a quick one because my daughter, it's a school day for my daughter, but I'm not working today because I'm sick, and I hate when I'm like this. So I decided to like take you guys along with me to, show you what a day like this can look like for me as a mom of one. So yeah, I'm gonna take my daughter to school, and then I'm gonna be at home and be doing some chores, because even though I'm sick, I can't just sit around and not do anything. I have to do something. So I think I'm gonna clean up a bit today, take the opportunity to do the things that I haven't gotten the chance to do when I'm at work, or yeah, during the work week. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and you guys have been reacting really well to my short videos, and I'm so appreciative. I want to say a big thank you, and thank you guys so much for the support. I've not always been consistent, but I'm trying my best. So yeah, thank you guys so much for the support, and I hope you continue to support me so I can grow here and build a platform, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video as well. So let's just get into it. On my previous videos, you guys hear me talk about how much I am so productive. My day can be so productive when my bed is made, and that's so true. Like, it doesn't matter what time it is. If I wake up late, early, yeah, my bed is going to be made up. So that's just that. Because I feel like once my bed is put together, I am ready to take the day on, despite how I'm feeling. So yeah, here you see me putting my bedroom together, because yeah, that's my safe space, and it has to be tidy. And yeah, I'm just that girl. I'm that mom, I get shit done. My place has to be put together, because yeah. And yeah, I'm just gonna continue to do some other stuff, and I hope you guys hang along for the ride, and I hope you guys enjoy. So, some exciting news is that I've been getting into growing my own food lately, and I'm so excited. Here you can see I have a very small balcony, not big at all, but this summer I've grown tomatoes, I've grown sweet peppers, I've grown chili peppers, and I'm so excited. You can see me picking some sweet peppers, and I have some basil, I have some thyme, I have some mint, and some the rest of the tomatoes, some what do you call it? Habanero peppers. I'm fucking excited. Like, this is a good summer, and now for the cold autumn weather, I'm planning on planting some new stuff. Like, I'm gonna sow some. I think I have some beetroot seeds, some salad and stuff, and yeah, I hope you guys can hang along for that too, to see what it turned out to be, what food I'm going to have for the winter.